Zebec Network and Uphold are truly trying to change the crypto game, and I want to discuss all of that with you guys today. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and we are back talking about the one, the only Zebec. But we're also going to be talking about Uphold and what that means for Zebec, okay? So as you guys know, I am a big holder of Zebec. I think it's one of the greatest projects that we have in crypto right now, and they are doing a lot with Uphold, right? I talked about their NHL, right? This was the big two things. We had them on NHL and we had them on NBA on the jersey, and that was massive news, right? But I've been talking about all these partnerships, but I've realized that in the last videos, I didn't really talk about what Uphold is and why it is so important. And I really want you guys, the Zebec family, to have a very good understanding on Uphold and all the partnerships, just so you understand it for the future. So I want to break it down in today's video. And then obviously at the end, we're going to talk about market structure and all of that good stuff. Okay. So let me try to explain Uphold for you and all of that in very simple terms, because I don't want to make this video too long and too complicated. All right, so what is Uphold is the first question, right? Uphold isn't just another crypto exchange, because that's what a lot of people see it as. It's actually, I would say, more of a multi-asset platform, okay? Because it allows you to swap literally anything and everything. You can swap crypto, obviously, fiat, and I'm pretty sure you can even swap gold. It's also very heavily regulated and it's insanely transparent. Okay, so the reason I say it's very transparent, because that's rare in crypto. You had companies like FTX, I don't remember, they did a massive rug pull. It was like millions, hundreds of millions of dollars. But basically what Uphold does is they show their reserves live, so you can see every token that is there. So it is fully transparent. So then you're wondering, okay, that's cool. I understand what Uphold is. Why is that important for Zebec, right? And Uphold isn't just partnering with Zebec, they're promoting Zebec, and they also believe in Zebec. Many of you guys probably don't know this, but Uphold actually holds $35 million in Zebec, right? That is an insane amount. I wish they showed it on their website somewhere, but they don't. I thought they did, but I guess I'm wrong. But yeah, they hold $35 million in Zebec, and you don't really see that from companies in today's time, right? They'll partner with a company, but they don't hold a project, but they don't hold it to this amount. This is a very high number. They are trying to back it as much as they can, and they are showing that they believe in it. All right. So the third biggest thing I think about Uphold is that they are trying to tap into traditional finance, right? This is all cool, right? But the big thing was the Walmart post that I made last week, was how I speculated that they are going to be partnering with Walmart. And yes, I know a lot of people have brought to my attention. I wasn't the first one, guys. It was just a little banter. I wasn't being fully serious that I'm literally the first one out there. There's probably tens and 20 news articles about Zebec and Walmart. I just did some digging and found it, so I thought it was cool. But this is what I'm talking about. Uphold is trying to tap into the real world, and in the real world in a massive way, right? And Walmart is just one of those things. They also are speculated to have a partnership with Ripple coming, and they have this crypto back and all of this. But this I will make another video on at the end of the week, because it is a whole video, and I want to break it down really well for you guys. I don't want to just talk about it quickly and then you guys are confused. So I want to just kind of stay on Uphold and the fact that they are trying to tap into the financial market, the Wall Street of crypto. That is basically what they're trying to do. And when they do that, they are inherently bringing Zebec along on the ride, right? And that is why partnerships are so great. A lot of people don't realize that, but these big partnerships basically just brings free exposure and free backing to Zebec. Zebec is going to hop on Uphold's back for the ride to the financial markets and tapping into payroll. Because if Uphold taps into, let's just say, Walmart, then they tap into another company and they tap into another company, and Zebec is able to provide payroll to all of them. I'm not kidding you guys when I say if that happens, maybe in 5 years, and you guys are thinking 5 years is so long, but looking at the price, because I'm going to say something crazy right now, Zebec could hit $1. Yeah. I know it might be far-fetched, and some of you guys might think I'm crazy, and some of you might turn off the video right now, but I don't think it's too crazy if they really tap into the financial institutions and all of that, right? So we have big news for Zebec. We have big aspirations, big plans. And I don't plan on selling anytime soon, guys. This is really a long-term play for me. I really believe in Zebec. I think they are doing fantastic things. I haven't been this hyped for a crypto project since probably Render when it came out. And I'm still bullish on Render. But Zebec is like, wow, it's just fantastic, right? And let's look at this quickly and then look at market structure. And then we'll call it a day for you guys. So we are up slightly in the week, down market cap, down volume, 89% bullish. We might have went up 1%. I think we were 88 or 87 last time I talked about it. And obviously we are still waiting for Binance, right? And the big thing about, whoopsie daisy, the big thing about the market structure is that we held this fair value gap, right? This imbalance in price. By the way, for all of you guys that stay for the market structure, you guys are my goats. But I also think this is one of the most important things in the video, so I don't know why so many people leave. But yeah, you will learn something, right? So you will see these imbalances in price throughout crypto and throughout your markets. You will see it. You'll start to see it, and you'll be like, huh, it's weird that price just keeps testing it and not closing below it, almost as if this is a strong zone that does not want to be broken because we want to go to the upside, right? It's pretty simple and it's pretty obvious. You can see that we are holding this zone. It does not want to go below it. This is also why I'm going to keep repeating it every video, even if you guys hear it 1,000 times. As long as we are in this zone, consolidating in this zone, this is the time to buy. This is the time to buy. This is the time to invest. This is the time to scale into Zebec because this is a strong zone. Yes, is it possible that we can manipulate to the downside? Absolutely. Anything is possible. We saw, what was it, $19 billion liquidated on Friday in 30 minutes? Anything is possible. Yes, of course. But look, even with that liquidation, we still did not close below the fair value up. So I really do think this is a strong area. I think this is a good buying opportunity, great buying opportunity to scale in. And we were trending really well. This is the 4-hour time frame. We were trending very well. This is a little shorter time frame analysis, right? We started doing break of structures and going to the upside, but you see, we weren't able to break this higher high, right? This high right over here, right? See, everything in market structure and price, it's calculated. Nothing is random. This is all calculated. I would have speculated if we closed above here and made a higher high over here, we would have closed above this area and gone up, and then the ladder would have looked something like that. But because we were not able to do that, that just meant market was not ready yet to go to the upside, but it will happen sooner than later. Okay, so that was my quick little take on Zebec. You guys are all amazing, always showing me the likes, the love, the subs, the comments. Keep it up. Smash that for this video. Comment Zebec to the moon. Like it up. Subscribe. It really means the world to me. Make sure you guys do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see everybody in my next video.